So as I was saying that the question of this brother was very sad. The question was that, Sheikh Sahab, I'm walking in the street and I see a very beautiful, handsome, attractive woman, and he thought that I'm thinking in my head that she is not a married woman, so he wanted to approach her saying that, Sheikh Sahab, can I, I want to ask her whether is she married or not, and then the intention is that if she is not, then I can proceed with my case. So is that permissible? And there's no intention. And look, so the question was very clear, and I could have just said yes, as far as your intention is all right, you can. But the way another part of the question was explained is that, I'm easy, I can, go around with the woman, I can take them in my car and I can do whatever I want. All this kind of way was explained. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This kind of, expression was showing that, subhanallah, people, they don't fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All I said to the person, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. All I said to the person, my brother, I told him, my brother, I will not say this is halal or haram, but only based on the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه, that you cannot be a true believer unless you love for others what you love for yourself. Based on this hadith, I said that would you like that if your mother or your sister or your daughter or even your wife, if nobody knows whether she is married or not, if she walks in the street and somebody comes up and he says to her, are you married? Will you like it? Then they are not focusing, both the two people they were asking me question, they were not focusing on this, my question, and they were saying, Sheikh Sahab, there is no the intention, this and that. I said, please, first of all, if we are thinking that we can have sex with anybody and we'll enjoy, that enjoyment is deceiving. Today, there are so-called people who say that they are religious brothers and religious sisters. They go for the second marriages. Brothers marry second wife, and sisters, they marry over another woman who is already married to a man. She marries this man as a second wife. And the purpose, subhanallah, after the result, I said that the purpose was only for sex. They were not serious about the deen. Allahu Akbar. They were not serious about this serious relation between man and woman. Serious relation of the duties they owe to each other as husband and wife. Why? Because after a month, they both, the girl and the man, they both call me and they say, Sheikh Sahab, we are divorced. Or Sheikh, the woman is crying and this and that, and this man has said to me this and that, and I think now it is cheating and this and that, and I want the khula. The man calls me and says, Sheikh Sahab, I don't want to marry this woman because I had a big problem with my wife and this and that, and subhanallah. So this shows that these people, they don't fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because whatever the way we are living today, our life is not for the sake of Allah. We don't fear the rights of other people, and then when we will come on the day of judgment, there will be serious questions that we have to be bearing the consequences of those. Inshallah, I'll continue after that.